7 weather is presented by Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration.
Well, everybody got the snowfall that they wished for, at least the students and the teachers. Can't say the same for everybody else waking up and having to venture out into that nonsense. It is a blizzard-like type of morning, but it's starting to calm down. So there's the good news. We're also dealing with an aerial flood warning down to the southwest in Noble County up until about 10 a.m. The reason being we have some creeks, some back roads, potentially seeing some flooding out there. So just take it easy. Not only seeing the snow out there, but you might encounter a creek that's overflowing a little bit. So keep that in mind, especially down to the south. We saw a lot of rain to start this weekend, and now we're seeing a lot of snow, but it's starting to calm down. You look over to the west of Coshocton, you can see the break in the clouds. So we'll have some sunshine as well. Maybe a great chance to go take some photos. If the roads aren't that bad, perfect opportunity. Personally, I would love to drive up to Oglebay. I am sure there's the most beautiful scenic shots you can get today, especially if you have off work for President's Day. But there's the drying. We're seeing things calm down. We'll keep an eye on the wind. It's going to stay breezy through today. So yes, you'll still see some flurries. Drifting snow is what you're going to see. But here's how much snow everybody saw. Wow, what a difference. I mean, you look towards where the winter weather advisory, I actually find this kind of hilarious. You look down towards Tyler and Wetzel counties where this winter weather advisory was previously outlined, and look where all the snowfall was. It was with these snow bands, this northwesterly wind, and I mean, Hancock, Jefferson counties, they got hammered anywhere between 4 to 5 inches of snowfall, and I'm not talking a good Sunday night. 1 to 3 inches of snowfall are possible down south of it, and then you move down into further into Guernsey, south of Guernsey County. There's not a whole lot, maybe an inch of snowfall out there, and we'll see some blowing snow as the day goes on, because that could move the snow around a little bit, but we're looking at a gradual clearing, just dealing with the breeze through the rest of the day. We'll wake up through Tuesday, partly cloudy skies, still a calm atmosphere, and then here comes Wednesday. We're going to bring more snowfall back in the forecast, just in case you didn't get enough on Monday. But there it is, Wednesday morning, 5 a.m. We're going to see the light blues kind of trickling in from the southwest. So we'll keep you posted on that, how that plays out. Right now, best guess, probably 1 to 3 inches. Probably best guess 1 to 2, actually. I'm going to correct myself, 1 to 2. There's those special weather statements. We're seeing those just due to the potential for snow squalls, reduced visibility. Take it easy if you have to venture out there. But other than that, I mean, the roadways, personally, they weren't that bad. It's nothing we haven't driven in so far. Rain totals are starting to increase, and I mean the United States, we're really feeling the impacts of this from a drought and then completely different script. You think back to last spring, this is kind of the same concept that we saw last spring with the flooding. We're keeping an eye on the river. Don't worry about it. Right now we're only going to break the action stage as we head through today. It looks like we're going to slowly back down, but if we see more rainfall on the way, as of right now it's just snow Wednesday and Thursday. If we see more rain, that could bump it back up. But I don't think we're going to have to worry about it. 24 degrees right now. If you guys want to venture outside in that snow, be my guest. If not, I mean, maybe a great chance to build a snowman. Head on over to Oglebay, snap some photos, send them to us, email them to weather@wtrf.com. We'll show them on our viewer photo segment on Friday. Also, go over to Facebook and X. Let me know how much snowfall you got. Snap a photo of the snow outside of your house. If you got a ruler, even better. Wednesday into Thursday, we're going to track another 1 to 2 inches of snowfall. We'll keep you posted how that plays out. But one thing's for certain, the end of February, we're heading back to the upper 40s and lower 50s. That's your good news for today. Stick around. We'll have all the things you need to know before you go, coming up after this short break.